Now we will discuss about the how many type of the harmonics present in our distribution system, yeah, our system. There are many type of harmonics present in our transmission distribution system. These are the fundamental frequency of the our distribution system, and this is the third harmonics, and these are the fifth harmonics, and these are the ninth harmonics, and finally these are the 13 harmonics present in our distribution system. That means already I discussed about the harmonics. Harmonics is defined as the integer multiple of the fundamental frequency, which is represented by different color. These are the fundamental frequency, and these are the third harmonics, fifth harmonics, ninth harmonics, and 13 harmonics. This type of harmonics is present in our transmission distribution system and our other equipment such as transformer, alternator, etc. These type of the harmonics are present there. Harmonics do not exist separately in a system. Harmonics never exist without in a system. Harmonic analyzer are used to detect the magnitude and order of the harmonics. For finding magnitude and order of harmonics, we have to use harmonic analyzer. The effect of harmonics can be reduced by oversizing of source such as alternator are used for generation of AC power, and transformer are used for step up and step down for a voltage. The harmonics can be reduced by increasing the size of alternator and size of the transformer. Use suitable harmonic filter. We can use suitable harmonic filter. Use of phase shifting technique to cancel the harmonics only in few specific cases. Few specific cases we have to use phase shifting technique to cancel the harmonics. The harmonics filter, it is the inductor capacitor. That means if we are talking about the harmonic filter, it may be inductor or capacitor, yeah, LC circuit. This LC circuit is tuned for absorbing the specific order of harmonics. This LC circuit is tuned for absorbing for a high order harmonics. It offers low impedance path for a bypass or the specific order of the harmonics, and also offer high impedance path for that order to pass to the load. Finally, we have to discuss harmonics are the part of today modern electronics load. If we are talking about today modern electronics load, then this type of load must have harmonics, part of the harmonics. We cannot avoid them as they are related to total plant efficiency. We can't avoid them, they are related to total plant efficiency. We need to measure them and take corrective action and to avoid loss premature failure of components. Thank you very much.